Vivek covers one third of its journey by train at 60 kmph. Next one third by bus at 30 kmph and the rest by cycle at 10 kmph. On the average speed of Vivek during the whole journey. Okay. So here it's a combination of time and distance and average. See here, we know velocity into time or speed into time equals to distance. So you can say speed into time. V is speed here. The velocity is a different parameter. So it's a vector. Speed is a scalar. Scalar means it doesn't have any direction. Vector means it will be having specific direction, which needs to be considered. So velocity into time is this. See here, suppose if I assume the distance is x, the total distance, then x third with at 60 kmph and x third 30 and this is at 60 and the remaining we see out of three parts, one part to second part and the remaining part means it will, out of three parts, one part is by train, other part by bus, and the remaining by cycle. Different speeds to travel. So find the average speed of Vivek during whole journey. See, average speed formula is total distance by total time. Total distance and total time is nothing but average speed. See, this problem can be solved in two ways. There is one shortcut and the repeat procedure is also there. So now I am taking the total distance as x and time taken to cover one term, first one third. How you will calculate? From this formula, time is equals to distance by speed. Time equals to distance by speed. But if I want to calculate time also, distance by speed. First, I will assume the time taken to cover one third of distance by bus is t1 and the train train is t1 and by bus is t2 and by cycle is t3. I will assume like that. t1, t2, t3. So how can I find t1, t2, t3 and substitute in the total time? Because total time is nothing but sum of t1, t2 and t3. So now see here. So total distance is x divided by total time. Time equals to distance by speed, right? So distance by speed means first distance. First distance is x by 3 divided by speed is 60 kmph. Second distance is again x by 3. This by speed is, what is the speed? 30 kmph. Yes, third distance is x by 3 divided by 10 kmph per cycle. If you solve this, you will get the answer. Now, see, I will take 1 by 3 as common and x will be the same. 1 by 3 if I take common, 1 by 1 by x by 3 also you can take common. If you take x by 3 as common, 1 by 60 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 10. Now x gets cancelled, then if you take the LCM, that will be 3 into 60 into 30 into 10 divided by 30 into 10. See here, you take the LCM with 16 into 30. Then to get the numerator point, just leave this 60, multiply these two, 30 into 60. Plus, to get the numerator at this point, leave this 30, 60 into 10. So you should be knowing this because this is a basic thing how to do LCM. So to get a numerator at 10, that is 60 into 30. 60 into 30. To solve this, you will get the answer. Okay. Now I am doing it here. So 3 into 60 into 13 into 10 divided by, see, did I take anything common here? I take 100 common here. I take 100 common. Then 3 plus 6 plus 18. And these two zeros, which cancel with this. And now 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 18 is 27. So 27, 3, 3 nines, again 3 threes, 3 twos, 20, 20, 20, 20, so yeah, 20 answer. Okay, did you miss anything? If you miss a calculation of joy, you can do it. 3 9, 1 the 3, 3 the 3, 2, 20, 20 is the answer. So now I'll tell you shortcut. If you get this type of questions with equal distance covered, with equal distance, why I am saying equal distance? See, after total distance is nothing but one third means what? 3 parts. Total parts are the denominator is total parts. Out of total parts, one part is covered at 60 kmph and the remaining at 30 kmph and the remaining. So out of 3 parts, this part is at 60, this part is at 30 and this part is 10. So all are equal distances. If equal distances are covered with different speeds, 3 categories are there, then the formula is 3xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. See here xy are, so don't think about this x, that is different. Or else I'll take x as here ky, kyz, ky, z. Okay, okay, I'll write here. If k, if one third of distance, this one third is covered at k speed and this is y speed and this is z speed, then the formula will be 3 kyz by ky yz zk. This is the shortcut for get the average speed. So now I am using the shortcut, I will solve this. What is that? 3 into 60 into 30 into 10 divided by 60 into 30 plus 30 into 10, 10 into 60. This is same as this. We will do it. What? 20 as the answer. If you want, you can solve it again using the shortcuts. So now I don't change anything here. 3 into 16 into 30 into 10 divided by. Please let me know if the audio is not clear. I'll do something for this and change the audio. Okay? Kindly let me know the problem you're going to face. Okay, you face correctly. 3 into 6 into 3 into 10 divided by 27. 3 ones are 3, 3, 3 9 are 3 ones are 3, 3 are 3 ones are 3 2. So it is 20 kmph is the average speed which we got. Okay. So like this you can do. But I tell you one more shortcut also here. So here there are 3 cases. If the cases are only 2, then what is the formula? Equal distance. Equal distance 1 half, 1 half. Then 2xy by x plus y is the formula you can use. Okay. Remember this. It's very important model and ask many exams, many exams. Next question. There were 35 students in a hostel. The number of students increases by 7. The expenses of the mess increase by 42 rupees per day. Per day, per day. But the average expenditure per head diminishes by rupees 1. Find the actual expenditure of mess. Okay, actually, how much it was costing before. Because of all these changes, some things happen that are to be considered, and we need to find the average expenditure incurred. There were 35 students in a hostel. I'll assume each average is X, Y, Z. 35 into K average expenditure. Okay, then 35K was the total amount cost, and and after adding several numbers, the expenses of the mess increased by 42. So it would be 35K plus 42 after some people added. So then it would be 35 plus 7. See, this is the total expenditure after some numbers added, and this is the total number of people after some numbers added, and this will give you the new average, and it got reduced by 1. Initially it was K and reduced by 1. This is the direct equation you can write from the data given. From this you calculate K, then you will get the answer. So this would be 35K plus 42. This is equals to 35K minus 35. Oh, so sorry. 35 plus 5 1 is 42, right? So I will do 42. While these more numbers just. Okay, 35 plus 1 is 42. So this would be 42K minus 42. And 42K minus, so this will be 7 in here. This is equals to this is 84. 84 by 7 is K. So 7 1 the 7 1 7. 12 is the average expenditure. Initial average expenditure. Average expenditure. Saying average, not the total. Find the actual expenditure of the mess. Find the actual expenditure. So if 12 is average into total number of people. Initially there were 35. 12 into 35. So it would be 50 plus 70. 70 is the answer. So this is the actual procedure. But you can use a shortcut here. That is n into x into n plus z plus y divided by z. So this is the shortcut you can use to get the answer directly. Okay. So you know what is z and all, I'll tell you. Okay. 35 plus 7. Okay, that's possible. Now see here. See, this is the initial number 35, and x is the decrement. When 7 numbers added, what is the decrement in average? So that is 1 rupee. So this is 35 plus z. See, when I am adding z to n, z must be an integer because n is an integer. When two similar quantities are there, then only you can add. So based on that, you remember this formula 35 plus z. So what is z? Sometimes you may forget, but it must be an integer. Just that's what you need to remember. So 35 plus 7 by 7. Plus 42. So z is a 42. 42 is nothing but what? Yeah. So the question 42 is, yeah, mess increases by 42. The total expenses of the mess increases by 42 when 12 into 35, 4. Directly we will get the answer. But sometimes remembering this kind of formulas is difficult and it's a waste of stressing brain more. If you can solve the question, you can solve the question in a normal procedure like this, and we feel that is sufficient. In a factor in the average salary of entire staff is 120 per month. The average salary of non-officers is 110 per month. And of officers is 460 per month. And the number of officers is 15. Find the number of non-officers. So he is asking find the number of non-officers. He give average. This simple question is can be done using allegation and mixture. See how many officers are there? 110. The average salary of non-officers is 110. This is non-officers. Officers. This is officers. 460. So in the office, if I mix them, officers and non-officers average is 120. So 460 minus 120, 340, and 120 then. See, you have to do like this. First, you write officers and non-officers. Then this should be combination of both. Why I am writing here one is in the office, officers will be there and non-officers will be there in the factory. So the combination come here at the mid. And now whichever is higher, if you compare 460 and 120, whichever is higher 460. So higher minus lower will give you the value here. Same way 110 and 120. 120 higher minus lower will give you 10. So now you have to find the ratio for it. 10 1 10 1. So 34 is to 1 is a ratio between non-officer to officer. This ratio to find the answer you need. What answer you need? You need to find out the number of non-officers. Non-officers is nothing but it is left side. 34 will be corresponding to officers, 1 will be corresponding to officers. So if 34 is there any other given? The number of officers 15. Officers is given as 15. So 1 corresponds to 15. If 1 corresponds to 15, 34 corresponds to how much? 1 corresponds to 15. 34 corresponds to how much? 34.1 into 15 will give you answer. So in the answer, what is 15 into the 450, 450 plus 60 by 10. Right answer. And see, this is one method. I'll tell you the other method as well. Here, see. Other method, unknown thing is assumed as XR key or something when assume that the number of officers is then find the number of non-officers. I will assume the number of non-officers. Let non-officers is equals to K. The average is given. Non-officers average is how much? Non-officers average is 110. So 110 into K will give you officers is 15, right? So total 60, 15 is 1, and this is equals to capital is 15 will give you total number. The total average given how much? 120. See, if you need classes in Hindi, let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'm going to take all these classes in Telugu as well. Telugu medium students, because I'm basically from Telangana, Hyderabad. So I'll create a new channel for them and do most reality is English only. One second is the syllabus in English and I go for other mediums, other languages. You solve it will be answer. You want me to solve 0, 0. Okay. So anything you can fix here. 11k, 12k. So if you take 11k this side, it will become 1k, and 15 into 12, 150, 180 will come this side. Or else you take 15 as common, and 15 into 46 minus 12. Don't multiply. Just take things common. It will become easier. So 34 into 15. 34 into 15 is 510. So like this also you can do. Ramu covers 1/3 of the distance at 20 mph and 1/4 at 30 mph and the rest at 50 kmph. Find his average speed for the whole journey. So I'll assume the total journey as x. So x by 3 at 25 and x by 4 30 and the rest at 50. So rest means what? X minus x by 3 minus x by 4. So take x common here. So take x common. 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So take the LCM 12. 12 minus 4 minus 3. 7 divided by 12. So 5 by 12. 5 by 12. So x equal is the remaining distance. Now we got all the distances and the speeds. Average speed as to formula is total distance by total time. See here, total time, total distance is x. Total time is nothing but combination of t1, t2 and t3. So t1 is time taken for covering one first one third, then t2 is 1/4, and third is remaining. Remaining means 5, 12. So now we got the distances, but we know speed into time equals to distance. From this, time is distance by speed. So distance or x by 3 divided by speed is first one. What is the speed? 25. 25. Next 30. 35 plus x by 4 by 30 plus 5x by 12 by how much? What is the speed? 50. The rest of 50. See, next one you don't have to do these kind of unnecessary steps. You can eliminate x directly and you can write 1 by 3 by 25 plus 1 by 4 by 30 plus 5 by 12 by 50. You can calculate 5 by 12. Okay, then x gets cancelled here. If I take x common here, so x by x, 1 by 3 by 25 plus 1 by 4 by 30 plus 5 by 12 divided by 8. X gets cancelled. Then it would be LCM of these things 75 plus not plus. I'm directly writing this final step. See, 25 into 3, 75. 30 into 4, 120. 50 into 12, 600. Okay. You calculate that, then simplify it. 1 divided by 1 by 75 plus 1 by 120 plus 5 by 600. So 5 by 600 is nothing but again 120. So 120 by 120, 2 by 120, 1 by 60, it will become 1 by 60. So 1 divided by 1 by 75 it is now. So here you are going to 120, right? 1 by 120 after cancelling. Then 1 by 120 by 120, 2 by 120. 2 by 120 is 1 by 60. Underwriting it. So now you can do it 60 into 75 divided by 60 plus 75. Okay. So 60 into 75 divided by 135. 5 2 are 10, 5 7 are 35. 9 are 3 4 are any other thing. 3 3 are 325. 100 by 3, 100 by 3, 100 by 3 is 33.3. I told you already. Remember things. 100 by 3, 33.33, 100 by 425. 1 by 6 is 16.66. 1 by 3 is also 3.33. 0.33 like that. You have to remember certain actions. It comes to practice. See, the average weight of KL is 34 kg. In end joint, the group, the average weight of the group becomes 30 kg. Another man more would weigh 60 kg more than n. replaces k, then the average of Lm and N becomes 79 kg. What is the weight of k? See, the average weight of KLM is 84 kg. KLM is 84. So it means K plus L plus M by 3 is equal to 84. For this, KLM weight will become 84 into 3. The same way, if N joins, their weight will become KL plus M plus N is equal to 80 into 4. Now you got, so this is 320 and this is 252. So now you got the average weight, the weight, total weight of K, L and M and L, M and N. So from this you can find out the N weight. N weight is nothing but 320 minus 252. So it is 68. And here, if another man who weighs 3 kg more than N replaces K. More than N. So more than N by 3, it is 71. So sorry, it is 71. 71 is the weight of K. 71 is the weight of what? K. See, another man who weighs 3 kg more than N replaces K. More than N means N weight I got as 60. And more than N 3 kg means 71 is the weight. And who is replacing K? K is replaced by O. Then the average becomes 79. What is the weight of K? So average became 79. So easily the same. So now I will do 71 plus L plus M plus replacing what? Replaces K. Okay. So 71 place of K I am putting 71. Now 79 the average and places K 71. So 71 plus L plus M plus O divided by 4. No, you don't have to circle that. Directly we get here. Okay, you don't have to do it again. Okay, why? Because you know the values already. What is the sum you got initially? This is 320. So from 320, you subtract one weight and replace other weight. Then you will get the answer. So from 320, I am adding 71. And subtracting the weight or the weight of K. Whoever is replaced, I am removing that weight. Is divided by, because of this operation, the average into 79. This will give you the answer. 79. 80 into 4 is 320. 320 minus 4 is 316. 316. 320 minus 316, 4. 4 plus 71, K is equal to 75. So this is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. See, next question. Find the average of 5 consecutive odd numbers K, L, M, and O. K, L, M, and O are odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers. Their average is asking. See here. Okay, so for consecutive odd numbers k, l, m, and o, their average will become the middle term. I told you shortcut for this. This is the average. So it can be odd or even. You take odd or even anything, the average will become the middle term. If you take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the average will become the middle term. Okay? If you take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the average will become the middle term. You take any number, right, numbers. So suppose if you take some 31 even numbers, so the middle number will become the average. So leave 15 this and that side and the middle number. The 16th number will become the average in this case. So remember this. So sometimes it's a simple question only, but if you don't know, we'll keep on solving it. Suppose sometimes we will ask you the average of first 31 even numbers. Then you will take from 2, 4, 6, you will add them up and then divide with the number of numbers. It takes so much time. Okay. The point is you know this parameter, this formula or this trick, then you will solve it in seconds. This question, the average of the first 7 results is 50. If the average of first 6 results is 49 and the last 6 is 52, find the 6 results. See, there are 11 numbers. So first 6 numbers average is given and last 6 numbers average is given. Here one parameter is counted twice. So now you can solve it easy. So 6 into 49 will give you first plus 6 into 52 will give you last sum, this sum, minus sum of all the numbers, that is nothing but 11 and 50. So if you do this, you will get the answer. So 50, suppose I assume it as 50 is 150. So 150 minus 6, 44 plus. So 50 into 6 is 150, 162 minus by 50, 200, 306 minus 6 is 49 and the last 6 is 50. Find the 6 result. So it should be, cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. So there is a mistake here. Sorry, I did a mistake here. 49 6 is not 144. See, 49 into 3 is 144. It is 6. 6 means 144 into 2. 280. 44 into 2. 280. 8. 88 and so I'll do one thing. 300 minus 6. So 294. Sorry. 294. This is 294. So 56, 300, 312. So next I'll add this 2 here, 396. 4 minus 600 minus 4. I'll leave it here. So 594, 596, 606 minus 50. 606 minus 550, 56.